Welcome to the Animal Sound Adventure. Today, our animal friends are going to teach you the sounds they make. Let's see who's first. First up, it's Kitty the cat. Kitty, what sound do you make? Great job, Kitty. Now let's hear from Daisy the dog. Wow, that was loud and fun. Good job, Daisy. Here comes Ellie the elephant. Ellie, show us your sound. Wow, Ellie's sound is amazing. Now Leo the lion is here. That's a mighty roar, Leo. You're the king of the jungle for sure. That's a mighty roar, Leo. You're the king of the jungle for sure. Now it's Max the monkey's turn. What sound do you make? You're so playful, Max. And now here's Danny the dolphin. Wow, dolphins make sounds too. That was awesome, Danny. Next up, it's Bunny the bunny. Bunnies don't make many sounds, but they sure are cute. Now here's Cool pig. Next duck. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Animal Sound Adventure.